Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a pick a card love reading coming up. So you can stay tuned for that reading. That may clear the doubts or confusions you have in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards. We have Fortune's Wheel in reverse, Magician, and Nine of Spheres in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, Aquarius. You have your, your skills and talents, and you are someone who has confidence and you're feeling really inspired today, confident and ready to take on. You have a positive outlook on life today, and you know clearly what you need to do, what will be the right thing for you, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship. You feel you're skilled and talented enough, and you have everything you need to succeed today, and you're feeling really confident, and you're really emotional, happy, and you have that intuition guiding you, or you feel really inspired today, guys, Aquarius. And also in your situation, guys, maybe in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, maybe there are certain things, maybe your overconfidence or the way you feel, maybe you feel really inspired and maybe you're rushing into certain things without thought. You feel that you're skilled enough and you're not giving enough thought, maybe when you're making some choices in your work, or it may be a situation in your relationship. So you feel you have everything you need. Maybe you may not be right each and every time, guys. So that is what you may feel towards this person, or they may feel about you this way, guys. So they feel that you must give thought before you speak certain things, or you must give clear thought before you decide on certain things for this relationship. So maybe for some of you, it is going to your attitude may be the reason for some disappointments you are seeing. Something unexpected may happen and you feel really guilty for being that way, maybe, guys. Maybe being too confident about things, that you know everything, that may not work in every situation. So you have to be quite careful, guys. So there may be some unexpected turn of events in your circumstances today, guys, Aquarius. So something unexpected, maybe you never expected this from them. Maybe they are making some rash decisions because of your attitude, or so let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first, guys. So we have 8 of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, maybe you will if you are facing some difficulty in this relationship, maybe an apology will work. So this person will surely realize your love. They will come to an understanding. If you simply apologize, guys, things are going to turn around and you will see smooth sailing in your relationship, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Hermit. So maybe even in your career situation, you will rectify this situation if you are going for that clear thinking and clear actions. And maybe for some of you, you are already in deep thought about some important decisions you need to make in your career situation, Aquarius. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you, it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you, it may be this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are, what to say, working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.